Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Look Incredible beauty box unboxing. So this is the March edition beauty box, and yeah, I haven't done a Look Incredible beauty box unboxing for a while on my channel because there was they took me off the PR list for a little while because they were doing some stuff, and they recently got back in contact with me to try out the box again, and of course I accepted it because I loved some of the products that they were giving out in their boxes last year, and that I'm excited to show you everything that's inside this month's box. So before I get started with the unboxing, if you are brand new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you like and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. So yeah, now we'll just go on with the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like here. It says Look Incredible on it, and this is a £35 subscription box, and usually the product value is £100 and sometimes over, and there's usually 4 full-size products inside from high-end beauty brands. So we get this inside, which explains because of COVID there's no leaflet inside the box, but this tells us the products and their value. So the first thing we get inside is this from Cover FX. This is their custom enhancer drops. So this sounds really interesting. I've never really tried much from Cover FX before, so I'm excited to see how this goes. And that's what it looks like right there. So it says here that these are custom enhancer drops that allow you to customize your favourite beauty products by adding radiance or a bronze tint. One drop at a time, your product is transformed to give a subtle or dramatic enhanced finish. So it's kind of like this holographic duochrome colour. Let me just apply a little bit right there. So I'm going to just blend that in a bit to see. Okay, so that's it right there. That is going to like amp up a lot of like foundations if you want that kind of glowier look. That would also look really nice on the cheekbones for a more dramatic highlight. I'm excited to play around with this because it's a little bit different. I mean, obviously I've used highlights and things like that, but this is a little bit different, so I'm excited to use this. And this is a full-size product, which is £34. Okay, so the next thing we get inside I'm very excited to use because it's from Elemis. It's the Sea Lavender and Samphire Salt Scrub. So this looks amazing, and I love Elemis. You guys know I've got a bunch of their stuff. I've got lots of their creams, but I don't think I've ever used a scrub from Elemis before, so that is why I'm very excited to try this. And also I could smell through the bottle, even though it's got the tab on it. I can smell it and it just smells gorgeous. It says here it's a skin smoothing body scrub that exfoliates the skin. It refines, softens and conditions the skin also. This I cannot wait to use. I think I'll be using it this weekend. I'm right into scrubs right now actually, like I've been really enjoying them. I've got one from Rituals right now which I'm really loving, so I'm excited about this one from Elemis because obviously Elemis is one of my favourite skincare brands. Again, a full size product which is 150ml, and it is worth £25. The next thing we get inside is a very interesting product because I've never seen a product like this before. Like I've seen it but not in the cosmetics world sort of thing. Like, anyway, first of all, it's this from Clarins, right? It's the stylo 4-color all-in-one pen, and you can use this on your eyes and your lips, which I find very interesting because wait till you see the design of this. This is very old school to me. Like, do you remember these types of pens that we used to use years ago as like a kid? They used to have like so many different colours around here, and you would push them down, you know, to write with them, like different colours. Yeah, so this is so interesting for the cosmetics world. I've never ever seen this, you know, before in makeup. So yeah, we've got a bunch of colours here that we can use on our lips and our eyes. Well, technically there's 3 colours that we can use on our eyes because it shows you here, and then 1 colour for our lips. Once you push the colour that you want, you twist it and it moves the colour up so that you can then apply it to your lips or your eyes. So this one is the red shade which is where your lips. Then we have this kind of purpley shade that we can use in your eyes, or if you want to like have a dark kind of purple lip, then you could use this I think as well. And then we have the black shade, which you can use for eyeliner, which I would definitely try out. So that's the black one right there. And then we have a green one, which is very interesting. And I think this will look great on the eyes, especially with my green eyes, I think as well. Like, ooh, that's a really nice green shade. I'm excited about that. So yeah, this is a very quirky product. I'm hoping it's really good, like the formula and things like that for like the eyes. That is the next thing we get inside, and that is again a full size product worth £25. Okay, the next thing we have here is from Project Lip, and it is a lip gloss. So let's just open it up and see. It's in the shade Addict. That's the colour right there. And it looks like it has a little bit of a kind of sparkliness to it, like it's a shimmer, I believe. It smells nice. And then I'll just swatch. Oh, ooh, this is nice. It's kind of like a sheer lip product. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like a sheer finish, sorry. Yeah, it had a little bit of peachy tone to it. Like, I actually quite like the shade of this. I thought it was going to be a bit more brown, you know, from like when I looked at the tube, but it's actually a little bit peachier. I'm liking that, and it's a little bit sheerer, so it's a great lip gloss to wear every day, I think. Yeah, that is the next product we get. I don't know if it says anything on the packaging. Does it? Plump and Gloss. So it's a plumping lip gloss, which sounds good. Gives you a high shine kissable pout. So yeah, this sounds lovely. Cannot wait to try this out. And again, full size, and it is £14. So that is everything inside the Look Incredible March Edition beauty box, and I actually think this is a really good box. This month there is some great products in here that I'm looking forward to trying. Like, I cannot wait to try the Elemis body scrub. Like, yeah, this smells lovely, and I'm very into body scrubs right now. Elemis again is one of my favourite skincare brands. The Cover FX I'm also looking forward to using because I haven't really tried anything from this brand. And the Clarins stylo I am loving. Like, this is very old school. I cannot wait to try it out. Yeah, so really good box of products here. I would love to know what you think about this month's edition, and of course if you're interested in Look Incredible's beauty box, and I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you guys. That is it for this unboxing. Hopefully I'll continue to do more of these over the coming months because I know you enjoyed it and I enjoyed doing them last year, so hopefully I can continue to do more for you. But yeah, that is it for this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video the big thumbs up if you liked and enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.